Imagine generating stunning AI images in seconds with just a few lines of code. Welcome to Soft Learning, where we make AI easy and fun. Today, I will show you how to generate AI cinematic images using Stable Diffusion. Let's get started. To work with Stable Diffusion, we need the diffuser library. Let's install it. Before we begin, let's ensure we have the right GPU for fast processing in Google Colab. Go to Runtime in the top menu and click for Change Runtime Type. Then click for T4 GPU. Then save it and you are ready to go. Now let's install the necessary dependencies. Exclamatory pip install diffuser. Diffusers. Next, we import and load the Stable Diffusion v1.5 model. This model will help us generate high-quality AI images. Once installed, we are ready to bring AI to life. From Diffusers, import the diffusion pipeline like that. Then we need to load our diffusion pipeline in a variable. So generator is my variable equal to diffusion pipeline dot from underscore pretrained with a set of parentheses. Inside it, you have to put the model name. Here my model name is runway ml slash stable hyphen diffusion hyphen v1 hyphen 5. Now let's move our model to GPU. To do that, generator dot to a set of parentheses. Inside of it, CUDA. CUDA is Compute Unified Device Architecture, is a parallel computing platform and programming model created by NVIDIA. It allows developers to use NVIDIA GPUs, graphics processing units, for general purpose computing tasks, not just graphics rendering. CUDA provides tools and libraries that let developers write programs in C, C++, or Python that run efficiently on NVIDIA's GPUs. Let's run this. It may take time. Now that we have the model set up, it's time for the fun part, image generation. Let me paste a prompt for my image inside a variable called prompt. We are going to create 4 AI generated image based on a cinematic night scene. Now let me create one more variable called images equal to a list. Inside of it, call the generator variable with a set of parentheses. Inside of it, put our prompt variable. Then outside of the parentheses, dot images of 0. The images of 0 refers to the first image from that list. Selecting first image from that list. Then for underscore in range of 4. This will generate 4 different variations of images, adding creativity of your result. Matplotlib is a popular Python library for plotting and visualizing data. Here we are using it to display images. The plot.subplot 2,2, this tells Matplotlib to create a 2-row, 2-column grid for images. Then fixed size 10,10. This controls the size of the whole figures, 10 into 10 inches in this case. Then enumerate images loops through our images, giving each one at index of I and the actual image. Dip mode splits I into row and column position. This ensures that each image is placed correctly in the grid. This line says this places the picture in the right spot. And then there, we don't want any messy lines or borders, so we turn off them. Okay. Then we give each picture a name so we know which one is which. Then finally, we say show the all images. Well, let's run this. It may take time. That's it for today's tutorial. We installed Diffuser, loaded a pre-trained AI model, and generated beautiful images using Stable Diffusion. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soft Learning. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Happy coding!